The PS5 Slim offers removable disk drives, but can you swap one into another after it's already been registered? That's what we're about to find out. Let's give it a try. Let's register it. You can now use your disk drive with your PS5. Here we go, disk. And now it has power, okay. So the first thing I want to do is factory reset this and see if it still recognizes that disk drive. Unregistering your disk drive, okay. That's what I like to see. And then when we restart it, your disk drive is connected to your PS5. To use your disk drive, register it to your PS5. So I'm gonna actually register it to this PS5 again, and then I'm gonna take this disk drive and put it into a different PS5 Slim and see what happens. All right, now we're gonna pull up on this edge and this edge. There we go. So disk drive 1 from console 1 coming out. And PS5 number 2. This is the one that we have not torn into. There we go. I'm gonna put the front end first and then just push down on the back, and there we go. We're gonna put the back tabs in first and just push down on the front until we hear the snap, and we're good. Now we have a disk drive that's registered to a different PS5 into a brand new PS5. Let's see what happens when we start it up. Okay, and we get a error. I don't know what that's called. The circle with a line through it. So I think that's probably not good news. Here's what you missed. Can't use your disk drive. To use it, restart your PS5. Okay, let's restart our PS5. Updating your disk drive. Okay. Your disk drive is connected to your PS5. To use your disk drive, register it to your PS5. Okay. If you don't update the system software, you can't use your disk drive. Okay, let's try and update it. See what happens. All right, and it's updating the disk drive now. Your disk drive is connected. You need to register it, okay? Let's try and register it. You can now use your disk drive with your PS5, but can we? Okay, here we go. Takes it in, will it play? The disk is spinning, and there we go. So it looks like even if the disk drive is registered to a different PS5, it actually will still work with another PS5 Slim. But now that we've tried this, let's take this same disk drive and put it into the original PS5 that we had it already registered to. PS5 number 2, PS5 number 1. This is the number 1, we've still got a mark right there. We will swap it right back over and find out what happens. This thing's gonna be so confused. No errors or anything. Let's try and put a disk in and see if it'll just take it. It takes it in. There we go, we didn't have to register it or anything. So this makes me wonder, how many PS5s can you register one disk drive to? Unfortunately, I only have 2, so I can't answer that, but the great news for users and for repairability is that you can swap a disk drive out of a PS5 Slim that's already registered into another PS5 and it'll work just fine. I'm making this video on November 10, 2023, so it is possible that Sony will update their software and make that disk drive not work like that. Hopefully they won't, but I mean, it is Sony. Thanks so much for watching today, and I hope you have a good one.